Hey everybody, Don Downey. I'm the owner of Left Coast Classics, and this is just a really cool, super original 1965 Volkswagen Beetle showing just 80,482 miles. Unbelievable. Anyway, in this video, I'm going to take you around it. I'm going to take you under it, but right now, we're going to go for a quick ride in it. I don't know what the 0 to 60 on these things is. Like 5 minutes? Anyway, it cruises along great. It's going really straight down the road. And the heater's working nice. It's kind of a chilly morning. So I got the heater on and that's working great. Shifting feels good. Wipers are in working order here. I don't know if you can see that. But, and they're even, well, that one didn't go down all the way. The radio's turning on, but it's not giving us any signal, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. The fuel gauge works, speedometer seems to be working, and the odometer. So all around, kind of a nice little driving car. And this interior is just off the charts cool and original. These front seat covers have been redone. Everything else in this car looks totally original, like factory. That's why the miles are so believable, down to all the little buttons and the paint in the interior, the door cards, the the basket weave rugs. It's so cool. And then if you look at the photos up close, when I pull the back seat out and you flip it and you look underneath, it even has the little factory tag under the padding and the springs. So it's really just something else to see one this original in this kind of shape. I think really the only thing somebody might want to do on the interior, since these front seats have been redone in the wrong era of seat cover, is get duplicates or repops of the correct stuff for the front seats. Otherwise, just super nice. And God, the steering wheel's in really nice shape too, so that's cool. Anyway, that wraps up our little drive portion, but there is a lot more ahead, so stick around. If you want to get in touch, best way to get me is right here on my cell phone number, my 707 number. You can call or text me directly. All the photos I have of this car, I have them also in high resolution, and I'm happy to send a link to my Dropbox if you send me a text and ask. Check us out on 3 episodes of my favorite car show in the world, Wheeler Dealers, in an old 57 Ford Thunderbird, like, I don't know, a dozen or more years ago, I think. And then we did a Lancia Fulvia here. I think that was 2018. And then we did this cool Triumph TR4, this one-owner car. That was, I think that aired at the end of 2020. So check those all out. Be sure to check out anything on Motor Trend. And get in touch anytime. If you could, like and subscribe. That helped me a lot. Even if you're not buying something I have, it's kind of fun. We're always cruising around in different cool cars out here in the Sonoma wine country and sometimes down in Southern California and Orange County. And get in touch. All right, stay tuned. There's a lot more straight ahead.